Hello, today we will learn about x and y intercepts. An x-intercept is the point where the graph crosses the x-axis. At the x-intercept, y equals 0. The y-intercept is where the point where the graph crosses the y-axis. At the y-intercept, x equals 0. In this graph, the y-intercept is 0, 3, because that is the point that crosses the y-axis, and because of that, x equals 0 and y equals 3. Then the x-intercept of this graph is 3, 0, and because of that, y equals 0 and x equals 3. The key rule is that x-intercept means that y equals 0 and y-intercept means that x equals 0. Example 1. Y equals 2x minus 4. When we find the x-intercept, we substitute y for 0, and then it comes to the equation 0 equals 2x minus 4, and then we solve it, and then x equals 0 equals 2, and then the x-intercept is 2, 0, and the y-intercept in this, when we find the y-intercept, we substitute x for 0, and then the equation is y equals 2, 0 minus 4, and then y equals negative 4, and the coordinates are 0, negative 4. That's the y-intercept of this equation. The intercepts for this equation are 2, 0 and 0, negative 4. You try this example, y equals negative x plus 3. The answer is x-intercept is 3, 0 and the y-intercept is 0, 3. The key rule is that the x-intercept means that the y equals 0 and the y-intercept means that x equals 0. Subscribe for more Algebra 1 lessons.